Throughout history, humanity has constantly tried to descend into the fascinating depths of the oceans. But for these explorations to be successful, one thing is crucial: breathing air. In snorkeling, diving is restricted to the surface of the water. But with the invention of the scuba tank, divers everywhere gain the freedom to spend longer in fascinating underwater worlds without worrying about their air supply. Humans require around 20 liters of breathing air per minute in normal situations without major physical exertion. Based on this, we can calculate that a short dive to a depth of 20 meters requires 125 liters of breathing air. Given this, the atmospheric volume of, say, a 10-liter diving cylinder would not get us too far. To contain the necessary volume of air for the dive, the cylinder would have to be 12.5 times bigger than normal. Of course, that would be incredibly impractical. Breathing air is therefore compressed to fit into a cylinder that is the right size for a diver to wear. So how can we fit this volume of air into the cylinder? The air has to be compressed using a compressor. Our breathing air is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, and various other gases including carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, plus moisture. During the compression process, harmful substances may enter the air. The moisture content of the air increases considerably. If a diver breathes this air, it may cause the diving regulator to freeze and result in health problems. Moisture also causes rust to form, which damages the diving equipment. As the compressor uses oil lubrication in operation, small amounts of this oil inevitably end up in the compressed air. This may likewise be harmful for the diver. The right filter cartridge reliably removes oil and moisture from the compressed breathing air. The air is purified by passing through a series of filters. Monitoring systems alert the user when a cartridge is fully saturated and must be replaced. If the cartridge is not replaced, the compressor automatically shuts down. But moisture and oil are not the only toxins that can contaminate the air in a diving cylinder. Higher levels of CO or CO2 can be particularly dangerous. The air intake of the compressor may already have excessive levels of carbon monoxide, CO, or carbon dioxide, CO2. These substances have a greater effect on divers at lower depths than at the surface. But why? As the dive depth increases, partial pressure causes the diver's breathing air consumption to rise, and therefore the proportion of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide that the diver takes in. But CO and CO2 levels can be minimized by choosing the correct location for the compressor and air intake, and by using the right air purification system. Breathing air measurement systems reliably monitor the gas quality of the compressed air. If the limits specified in the breathing air standard are exceeded, the compressor automatically shuts down. Now you can enjoy your dive in complete safety.